Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you from Aussies Group. I am Malcolm, your PT coach, and I'm so happy that today I have with me Himagna. So guys, Himagna, in his first PT attempt, he has got a score of 8 each in PT. Yes guys, he has got a score of 8 each. He's got an overall score of 84. In speaking, he has got a full score of 90. In reading, he has got 85, 81 in listening, and finally 86 in writing. That is 20 visa points he's got in his first attempt. And let me also share you that he came for coaching for just 1 week, and it is his first attempt. Yeah. So Himagna, why don't you introduce yourself to our friends?
Hi everybody, I'm from India. I just did my bachelor's in information technology. Recently I shifted to Australia. I have my family here, so that's the basic support at home. And more importantly, I'm so lucky that I found Malcolm, I found Aussies Group, because I had the basics in English, but what I needed was sharpening of my skills and the right direction. And Aussies and Malcolm did a great job in providing the right direction and that support I needed.
Thank you so much for your kind words, Himagna. Himagna, I'd also like to ask you that, of course it was his first attempt. So where did you take the test in Melbourne, and how was your test experience, if you could just share with our viewers?
My test center was Clifton.
Alright, and I've
Yes.
heard not very pleasant things about the center before.
Yes, it's true. It's I shouldn't say, but it's a horrible center.
Alright.
So, but Malcolm motivated me just before I took the exam. He just set up my mind in the right direction.
Sorry if I may interrupt. So what was the main problem you faced at the center, if you could share? Like,
it was too noisy. It was hard to focus. Your mind is all around the room. You have a passage. You have the read aloud passage.
Right.
Someone else is reading the same thing, and then you're also trying to read the same thing.
So basically a lot of disturbance from those sitting around you.
It's confusion.
Right.
So Malcolm, what he told me before the day I took the exam, that you got it inside you, got the thing to get 90. Just focus, no matter what happens, you'll get it. So that was really helpful for me, and only that was running in my mind, that I can do it. So I think it was most of
Pretty much it. Thank you. And Himagna, if you could just share, like, how was your coaching experience? I mean, I'm again repeating, he came for just 1 week for his coaching, and it's fantastic what he's achieved, because he's very hardworking and he's very humble at the same time. He's giving all the credit to us, but he put in a lot of effort, and I used to get messages and calls from him. And yes, he had doubts, but he followed the techniques. That's the main thing. And Himagna, so if you could just share, how was your coaching experience?
Coaching experience was wonderful. First thing is the techniques and tips. These things are invaluable. No matter how much of YouTube videos you watch, or no matter how much practice you do,
Right.
you cannot get them by yourself. You need some guidance. So even if you have it inside you, you
Right.
need proper guidance. Even a best pupil needs a best master. So I would definitely recommend anybody who is willing to score 79 plus to take Malcolm's class and come to Aussies Group.
Alright.
And the material he provides during the classes or through pttutorial.com is invaluable. It's perfect and nearly equal to the test, a little bit higher, which actually
Helps you prepare.
yeah, it puts the bar up, and you have to constantly improve yourself to keep up with the level. I think that was what helped me. I thought constantly, I'm not doing well in these exams, so I have to prepare myself better. And Malcolm was available all the time. Even at 9 o'clock in the night, I used to message him, send him silly questions. Please check the grammar of this sentence. But still, he didn't say anything. He helped me through all of it, and I'm really grateful for that.
Thank you so much, Himagna. Himagna, one last question, that since you already mentioned about PT tutorials, can you share with the viewers how it helped you, like the free material or the paid material? Can you just share how it helped you, and what exactly was helpful to you?
First thing is, when you take the classes here, you will get some free material, free tests, and they are useful, and I would definitely suggest to buy more material from the pttutorial.com, because it's of higher level and it helps you to increase your standard also.
Definitely.
And on top of that, essay writing is in PT it's completely predictable, essays, so it's very highly recommendable that you go and take the essay material from Malcolm, or from pttutorial.com, which will definitely help you. And actually I got the essay from those material, same topic.
Right.
So that's why I wrote 300 words in my essay.
And
Within 20 minutes, and I checked my grammar, and grammar I got 88, and this written discourse I got 90 on 90. So all that happened within 20 minutes. So you can say, so it was really helpful.
thank you so much for the comprehensive review, Himagna. I cannot be more grateful to you. And friends, I'd like to again congratulate Himagna. It's
Thank
a
you.
stupendous effort. 84 in his first attempt. He's just 22. You and I didn't know that. I just came to know that today. He's just 22, first attempt, first 3 months in Australia, and he's cleared PT out of his way now. So now he can focus on his PR. Right, Himagna? Congratulations
Thank
once
you so
again,
much.
and we wish you all the best for
Thank
all
you
your
so
future
much.
endeavors. Thank you so much for viewing the video, friends. What are you waiting for? Come to us for all your PT queries. I'm there to help you, and Aussies is there to take all your questions and solve all your problems. And we are there, and we want you to get high scores like Himagna did in his first attempt. Thank you so much, Himagna. Thank you.